In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock keyboard on PC. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. The first thing is the built-in Windows shortcut, which is the filter keys trick. So to unlock your keyboard, press and hold down the right shift key on your keyboard for exactly 8 seconds. Your computer is then going to emit a sharp metallic beep sound, and a pop-up window prompt labeled filter keys will slide into view on your desktop layout. Use your mouse to click yes, and your keyboard keys are now locked and will not type. Now to unlock your keyboard, press and hold down the same right shift key one more time for 8 seconds, and you're going to hear another quick tone sequence, and your keys will instantly wake up and type normally. I could also go to my Windows icon and then go over to settings like so, then go over to accessibility, then keyboard, and then have filter keys turned off or on from here as well. If you want to leave your laptop running a video render or download but want it to completely disable the physical typing panel so that no one can mess with it when you walk away, lock it via your system tree. So what you can do is go to your Windows icon, then go over to your device manager, then go over to your keyboards area, then right click on whatever keyboard you have, and then all you want to go ahead and do is uninstall the device or just disable the device. And then what you want to do is when you want to use your keyboard again, just go back here and then just enable it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.